Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin niyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Shadow side, devil, knight of cups, and this karma or the judgment. Seven of cups, ace of swords, the king of pentacles, the moon card, and this ace of cups. Bottom card natin, three of swords. Okay, so may mga options ka ngayon, kahit pa sabihin natin, nagkamali ka in the past, nagkaroon ng separation, broken heart, and may energy tayo dito ng Capricorn, Pisces energy. So, maaaring it's a new relationship coming in, new fresh, new beginning with you, and this person na coming in. So, tingnan natin kung sino itong parating. Victory. Wow. By Archangel Sandalphon, your prayers have been heard and answered. Have faith. So, ito'y matagal mo nang hinihintay na maaaring itong taong ito na matagal mo nang hinihintay ay paparating na. Tingnan natin. Signs and symbol cards. Pillow, telephone, playing cards, healing crystals, target, and sunglasses. So, yung bottom card is fish. So, another Pisces energy ito. So, ayan. Telephone, ayan. Itong tanong to, maaring lagi kayong magkausap ngayon sa telepono or maaaring kilala mo na siya, nagkakausap na kayo ngayon. Pero for some of you, coming in pa lang. And kasi marami ka pang ibang other options dito. Pero itong taong to ay ikaw talaga yung kanyang main target or ikaw talaga yung gusto niya. Sigurado siya doon. So, itong taong to medyo may pagka mysterious, pa-mysterious effect. Ayan. And tingnan pa natin. For some of you, past person na to or maring nakilala mo na siya in the past and nawalan lang kayo ng communication pero maaring hindi mo siya naging karelasyon. This is not over. This is not over yet. Ayan, waiting for you. So, itong taon to, hinihintay mo siya eh. Or maring kayong dalawa, hinihintay nyo ang isa't isa. Talking to you telepathically. I want to surprise you. Maring surprise ito na pagkikita or unexpected. Keeping tabs on you. I regret rejecting you. So, from the past na nga ito, maaaring nireject ka na niya. Or tinanggihan sa offer. Honesty is the best policy. Feeling betrayed. And I'm addicted to you. Bottom card natin. Ayan. So, maaaring nag-usap lang kayo. Talking stage. And then, may nanggos na walang parang bula ganon. Pero, tulad ng sinabi dito sa card, this is not over yet. So, hindi pa tapos ang ugnayan yung dalawa. So, maaaring siya rin na may dahilan kung bakit ka nasaktan in the past. So, tingnan natin. ay hide behind material things. So, inuna niya itong mga material things na ito over you or priority. I'm so attracted to you. I wish things could be different. I remember every detail of that day. I know I was a distraction from your pain. I regret lying to you. I replay our conversations over and over. So, ito yung mga pinag-usapan nyo during talking stage. And I can't stop thinking about you. Bottom card natin, just being near you is intoxicating. Kasi siguro hindi niya kayang i-handle yung sitwasyon. Masyadong intense para sa kanya. So, tingnan natin sa initials. H, U, M, K, N, R, T, O, B, Z, C ang bottom card. Prophecy, twin flame for some of you, and karmic relationship. So, ayan, maaring may nag-aano kung karmic ba ito, may nako-confuse kung karmic ba ito or twin flame. Pero for some of you, maaari na isa dito. Ayan. And tingnan natin sa general signs and messages. Or maaaring dalawang persons kasi din, pwedeng dalawang persons. Isa is karmic and isa is your twin flame. Maaaring isa kasi may mga options ka. So, maaari nga na itong dalawang ito ay kasama sa mga options mo. Isang karmic, isang twin flame. Kaya, kailangan mong pagbutihan yung options, yung pamimili mo dito sa mga options na to. And we also have here 2 aces, Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Number 6, Sun. Number 3, March. October. Other country. Very lucky. 9, 1, smart. Ayan o. Maaaring nako-confuse ka kung sino ba sa kanila. July, perfect smile. Trustworthy, amazing, divine masculine. Sarcastic, flower farm, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, dimple. Ayan, so may mga nagpapanggap na yan, mga plastic persons. April, practical, birthmark, sword is air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, mirror card, and Aries. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.